Hello, hello. How are you today?
We are fine, teacher.
Great. Well, today we're going to have a quick review about our previous class, which was, what is your nationality? You remember? We were talking about countries, we were talking about languages, and some nationalities. In our first activity, we're going to play a kind of game that implies a lot of movement, okay? And that game is called Change Seats If. This game consists of moving to a different place anytime that I say a sentence and you feel identified. For example, if I say, change seats if you are from Nicaragua. So you feel identified because you are from Nicaragua. Yes or not? Yes. So everybody has to move to a different place. So you have to pay close attention to this because I'm going to talk about languages, I'm going to talk about nationalities and countries that we have talked about in previous lessons. Do you understand? Yes. Yes. Are you ready to move? Yes. So let's practice a little bit. Change, seats, if, for example, you are from Nicaragua. This is my example. So I'm going to tell you 3 instructions and then I will select some of you to do the same. You get it? Yes. Good. Excellent. I'm thinking about an action. Okay. The first movement is going to be change seats if you speak Spanish. Come on. One hour. Okay, guys, remember to move a little bit faster, okay? Faster. The idea is that you move faster, but most importantly that you understand my message in English. Okay, the second one is change seats if you understand English. One hour. Finished? Okay. Let's wait for him. Excellent. And the third one is change seats if you are from Germany. What happened? Okay, we are not from Germany. We are from what country? Okay, we are from Nicaragua. And today's topic is Gloria is Nicaraguan. This is her nationality. Okay, now I need 4 volunteers. Can you raise your hands? 4 volunteers. 4, only 4. 4 volunteers. 4 people. 1. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. One more. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it's not me, but it's gonna be you giving the instruction, okay? You're gonna do something similar to what I did before. You stand in front of the class and you give an instruction. You get it? Okay. Okay, so I saw 3 hands in the air. So the first one, come on here, please. Remember that You gotta listen to him and follow his instructions this time. Okay, go ahead.
Change seat if Gloria is Nicaraguan.
Okay, action. Thanks. It's lost, so let's find a seat. The second one, the second hand that I saw before. Pay close attention to what he's gonna say.
Change seat if you like Portuguese.
Okay. Well, he said, change place or seat if you like Portuguese. What I could see here is that not everybody likes it. Okay, so that's fine. Thank you. Next. Another one. Okay, come on here. You gotta be alert, okay? You gotta be alert.
Change seats if you are from Managua.
Come on. Everybody here is from Managua, I guess. Thank you. And I need one more. Let's do one more. One more. Okay, you.
Change seat if you like English.
Excellent. Everybody likes English in this class. Or not? Well, I saw 2 or 3 students who don't like English because they didn't move. But don't worry, we're going to work on that. Excellent. We're going to speak a little bit about the present progressive tense, or we can also call it present continuous tense. This is a grammatical theme, but I will explain it to you in simple words, okay? The present continuous, we use it when we describe an action that is in progress at the moment of speaking. For example, I have a sentence here that says, I am writing. I am writing. Let's take a look at the meaning. Let's pay attention to the meaning. For example, if I do this, I am writing. This is my action. What am I doing? I am writing. I am writing. This is an action that is happening right now, in this moment, or now. The word now refers to this very moment. Okay, I am speaking English. Yes or not? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, I am speaking English. I am speaking English. I am what? I am writing. Speaking what language? English. I am speaking English, and right now you are paying attention to me. You are listening to me. I am walking. Look at the action. I am walking. Walking. I am walking. Am I running? No. No, I'm not running. I am walking. Walking. Let's pronounce it. Walking. 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 Okay, now I will do the action and you tell me the word in English. I am speaking what? English. I am I am dancing. Okay, I am dancing. I am dancing. 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 Okay, one more time. You say, teacher, you are from that position. You say, teacher, you are, and the action. You are writing. Okay. You are writing. You are. Louder, please. Louder. Louder. You are writing. You are walking. Uh-huh. You are walking. You are writing. Uh-huh. You are walking. And I am speaking English. I am speaking English. I am speaking English. Teacher, you are. Say it. Teacher. Teacher. You are speaking English. Okay, now I'm gonna dance like Michael Jackson. You are. I am dancing. Okay. Now I will show you other people. Look at this little girl. How do you say in English? I am or she's? Yes? Okay, what is the little girl? Look at her and tell me what she's doing now. Now, in this precise time. She's, okay, what is she doing? She's, what action? Riding, walking, speaking English, or dancing? Riding. What? Riding. Excellent. She's riding. Good. Now, I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about her. Let's check another one. Okay, so now we got a woman. Look at her. Is this person he, she, or I? She. Ah, okay. Now we have to say she because this is, as you can see now, this is a woman, not a man. And that person is not me. So let's talk about her action. What is she doing? What is she doing? Speaking, writing, walking, or what? Speaking. Okay, good. She is speaking what? English. English, like me? Yes. Or another language, a different language? A different language. Look at the symbols. Look at the symbols we have. This is not English, but the reality is that she is speaking. Okay, she is speaking. Okay, I have another one. I got a group of people now. Now we don't have he, we don't have she, we have a group of people. And when we have a group of people, we say they when we refer to a group of people. So what are the people doing? They are dancing? No. Running? No. So they are walking. They walking. Is that okay? Yes. Of course not. Because in the present progressive, we have to use the verb to be. Is, are. Okay, so we were missing the auxiliary be. Good. They are walking. Everybody say walking. 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 Writing. Writing. Walking. Writing. Speaking. What are they doing? They are walking. They are not riding. They are not speaking. And they are not dancing. They are walking. And the last one. This is pretty easy. This is about a boy. What is the boy doing? The boy. The boy is dancing or watching television. He or she? He or she? He. Okay. He is dancing. Okay, everybody say it.
He is dancing. She is riding. She is speaking. They are walking. She is dancing.
She. Make up your mind. He or she? He or she?
She.
He or she?
She.
They. Excellent. He or she? He. Okay. As I was saying before, in the present progressive, this is the structure. Write it down, write it down, write it down quickly. I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to write the formula, and then I will go over it to tell you a little bit more about it. Write it down first. The formula says that to form the present progressive, we need to have a subject, auxiliary be, do not forget it, and the present participle of the main verb. In simple words, the main verb with ing. Finished? Did you finish? Okay, one more second, one more second. You're done? Okay, excellent. Great, amazing. Now I will show it to you one more time on the board. Excellent. Remember the formula that you were writing before? This is crucial in order to make simple sentences in the present progressive, also known as present continuous. It's the same, and the structure is the same. Just let me remind you about it. Subject, verb to be, and present participle. When I say present participle, it sounds like technical, but in simple words, it's when you add ing to the main verb. This is the simple form, a simple way to understand it. So I have 1, 2, 3 pictures. In this case, maybe you cannot see it quite well. I have rain. Let me rewrite it here because it's not visible, right? So the verb here is rain, the verb here is run, and the verb here is eat. So now, what I want you to do is to construct a short sentence in the present progressive using the verb and following the formula. Do you understand? Let's do number 1 together. Here we have the rain, and as an action, rain. So how can I describe what is happening now with a sentence? Okay, what's happening in picture number 1 in this moment? What is happening? He, remember that in English, we say a subject. So what is the subject? He, she, it. Okay. It. Because the rain is not a person, so we say it. 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 It is. Okay. It is Raining, 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 raining or raining? Raining or raining? Raining or raining? Okay, it's raining. Raining. Everybody, it's raining. It's raining.
It's raining.
Number 2. The action is wrong. So let's build the sentence. Subject, what is the subject? She. Okay. She running. She running. She running. She running. She is running. Good. And finally, number 3. 1, 2 people. Good. They. What's the action? Eat. They are eat. Eating. Good. They are eating. They are eating. It's raining. It is raining. She's running.
They are eating. She's running. They are eating. She's running. She is raining. They are eating. She's running. It is raining. She's running. It is raining. She's running. They are eating. She's running.
She's raining. It is raining. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. Totally easy. It's just a matter of following this simple formula. Okay, clap your hands. Because you are doing a good job. You are doing a good job, so clap your hands. Well, I got another exercise for you to practice the present progressive. Before we were talking about writing, walking, dancing, speaking English, but I want you to see other actions or activities like the ones here. We have drink, text, use the computer, rain, talk to my friend, and listen to music. We're going to work in pairs. We're going to work in pairs, and we're going to take roles. One of you is going to be letter A, and your partner is going to be letter B. All letters A are going to be given a mini whiteboard such as the ones I'm holding. This is a mini whiteboard that students A are going to be working with. And all students B have to perform the action, have to act out the action. For example, I need a volunteer. I need a volunteer. Okay, Gloria, Virginia, come on here. Okay, Gloria Virginia is going to be A. Can you stand over here? She's going to be A, and I am what letter?
B.
B, okay. So, I am going to act, and she is going to write what I am doing, but following the present progressive form that we rehearsed before. Okay, so my action is pam, 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 pam. And then Gloria is going to show the action. Pam, 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 pam. Okay, can you show us what you wrote? He is dancing. Is that correct?
Yes.
Simple. So she is letter A, I'm letter B. I act because I am B, She writes because she's A. So we're gonna do it in pairs. You act and you write. But remember to follow the structure, and you're going to use verbs from this list. Do you understand? Okay, let's do it. Thank you so much. Okay, clap your hands for Gloria. And then when you finish sentence number 1, you can erase it with a piece of paper and you write another sentence. Okay, let me start. A. Okay, now you need a marker. Don't worry, because I have an arsenal here. I have a bunch of markers. Okay, you need one. You need one over here. Somebody else. Okay, somebody else. Somebody else. It's okay, good. Is everybody clear? Everybody clear?
Yes.
Crystal clear? Crystal clear? Okay, so let's do it. Action. Remember that you have to act out verbs from the list. I'm sorry to interrupt, but remember, when you finish one action, you continue with another action. Or you switch, okay? You change roles. You can change roles. This is better. So now you can switch. Another. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities. Over here we have 6 actions, so you can take 3 and 3. And to sum up, I need a couple of students to perform the previous activity one more time, so that everybody is clear about this. So I need 2 volunteers. Okay, come on here. Everybody say the sentence. Everybody read it. Say it. He is drinking. Excuse me, what's this? Water. Drinking water. He is drinking water. Everybody, he is not drinking milk or coffee. He is drinking water. Clap your hands. Thank you so much. Homework, 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 homework. Homework. You are going to write 3 more sentences, 3 more examples with the present progressive. When you return next day, you're going to read those sentences to the class, okay? So, 3 sentences using the present progressive form. Thank you so much, and see you next time. See you.